Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I have an Excel sheet here. I'm gonna bring it to the middle. I'm gonna double click and open it, and it's opening. Now as you can see, I have two sheets here. I'm gonna right click on the sheet named Staff's Age, and it's protected, as you can see. Now let's try and hit and type any data, and it won't let me because it's protected, and I don't know the password of it. And this is actually happening in so many cases. There may be cases where you have given your data, shared your data to your colleague, and you just wanted to make sure that he doesn't alters your data, and hence you protected the sheet. Or you just simply wanted to protect the sheet because the content of the sheet was so valuable to you, but after some time you try to open the sheet again and you do not know the password, and you have to make some changes. Now how can you recover the password, or how can you unprotect the sheet? In this video I'm going to tell you exactly how to do it. The very first thing I want you to do is go to the sheet which is protected. For me it's in my desktop, for you it can be anywhere. Just go to the location. Now I want to make sure that I do not get the original file destroyed, so I'm going to right click and create a new folder. Click on new and click on folder. I'm going to name it unprotecting sheet. I'm going to right click on the sheet that I want to protect. I'm going to click on copy. I'm going to click on the sheet I just created, and I have misspelled unprotecting, but I guess that's okay. I'm going to right click and paste it here. Now the very first thing that I want you to do is see the extension of the sheet you just created. But for me, I cannot see any extension name, as you can see here. Now in order to make sure that you can see the extension, I want you to go to file menu. I want you to click on options. Window will pop up, and I want you to click on view tab. Now let's drag it down, and if you see here, there is a tick mark right next to hide extensions for known file types. I want you to remove it. Click on it and it will be gone. Now click on apply and click on OK. There you go. Now you can see that the extension of this Excel sheet is .xlsx. Now it must be visible to you as well. What I want you to do is right click on the sheet and click on rename. Now rename the extension to ZIP. There you go. A window will pop up. It will ask you if you're sure about it. Click on yes. Now it's zipped. Now I'm gonna double click on it, and once again a new window will pop up. I'm using a WinRAR software. If you're using any other software, this window may look a little different to you, but the content and the steps are absolutely same, so just follow along. Now click on Excel and click on worksheet. Now you will see there are two worksheets, and if you recall, I had two worksheets actually, and I wanted to protect this sheet number 2. So I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna copy this sheet, copy files to clipboard. That's it. I'm gonna close this window. I'm gonna close this window as well. I'm gonna paste it here on my desktop, and I can paste it. Let's go back and copy the sheet again. Let's click on Excel again. Let's click on worksheets, and there you go. What I'm gonna do is simply minimize it, and I'm gonna minimize this as well, and there you go. I'm gonna drag this sheet 2 and bring it here, and there you go. It worked. Now this is what I wanted. I'm gonna bring it in the middle. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna open with, click on open with, and click on notepad. There you go. There is a lot of data. Now in order to see, make sure if you want to see this clearly, I want to go to format and make sure its word wrap is a tick mark is on right next to it. If not, click on word wrap. For me, I want to use word wrap, so click on word wrap, and there you go. Now it's visible. Now I'm gonna go to edit and click on find and click on protect and search protect. I'm really sorry for that. Click on find next, and there you go. There it is. Now what I want you to do is find the smaller less than symbol and select the data up to the location where the greater than symbol appears, and click backspace to delete it. Now it's deleted. I'm gonna click on file and I'm gonna click on save. Now it's saved. I'm gonna close this window. Now what I want you to do is open the folder again. I'm gonna make sure this is visible to you. I'm gonna click on the zip folder that you created a few moments ago. Click on Excel again, click on worksheets, and now I want you to copy the sheet that you edited and replace it with the sheet we have here. Where there you go, it's here. Now I'm going to simply drag it and drop it in this folder. A pop-up will appear. Now just make sure that it's add and replace files set here. If not, click on the drag icon and click on add and replace files. Click on OK, and there you go, it has been updated. Now I'm gonna close this window. I'm gonna open the window again. Now I want you to change the extension of this sheet of this folder again. In order to do that, right click and click on rename. Now I'm gonna rename it back to XLSX. I'm gonna hit enter. It will ask me the same thing again. I'm gonna click on yes, and as you can see, it's back to Excel form. Now I'm gonna right click and open it. Now it's opening, and yes, it has opened. Now I'm going to right click here, and it's not protected anymore. Let's try and enter any data. Subscribe to my channel, and as you can see, it's working, right? The sheet is not protected anymore, and if you have followed along all the steps, it must be working for you as well. Thank you for sticking till the end and watching the video. It takes a lot of effort to make these kind of videos. If you like such videos and want to learn more about Excel, please subscribe to my channel.